Hey guys, it's Alicia, and I just really wanted to make a video to thank everybody who has supported me thus far on my YouTube journey. But most importantly, I want to thank my 50 subscribers that I have on YouTube. Woo! Thank you so much. You guys have continued to motivate me, inspire me to continue on making videos and content that you would like to see. I really appreciate it. I hope that you continue to support me by sharing, liking, and commenting on my videos. Also, continue to let me know what you would like to see me do in further videos on YouTube, and I will continue to create. Thank you again. I love you all. Mwah. See you later.